Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Regrob.com, and in today's video we are visiting at Expat The Wisdom Tree project, which is located off Hennur Road, Bangalore. So here you can see the connecting road in front of the project. And now we are moving towards the project. Here you can see the main entrance gate. So this we are giving you the view of Project Society. The project is spread over 4 acres of land and it offers 2 and 3 BHK residential apartments, and it total comprises of 236 numbers of units. It carries 3 number of towers with 14 floors each. It has 60% open space. And now we'll give you the interior view of a sample flat. So this we have entered into the flat, and here you can see the lobby, designer entrance lobby. And now we have entered into the living room. Right here you can see the dining hall. And moving next, this is the modular kitchen of this flat. Skillfully designed for the comfort of the residents. With fantastic interior work. Now moving next, here is the common washroom. And now we are moving towards the bedroom area. And here comes the first bedroom of this flat. The spacious bedroom with lavish interior decoration. And here is an attached washroom with this bedroom. Now we have entered into the second bedroom of this flat, and over here you can see the wooden wardrobe. Now this we have entered into the third bedroom. Again you can see the room is very spacious and beautifully designed. Over there you can see the wardrobe section. And here is an attached washroom. Now this is the courtyard. From here you can take the outside view of the society. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit inquiries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.